Yes.
How's it going, guys? I'm your host, Jay Ross. Welcome back to Watch Your Drive podcast. We over here at the Charlotte Auto Fair. We got this nice gentleman with this beautiful truck, Sam. How you doing today?
How you doing, buddy? Doing good.
Not too bad. We got my amazing co-host,
What's
Mr.
going
Tuesday,
on, everybody?
Chris.
What's going on?
So, Sam, tell us a little bit about your truck, because this is super unique. It caught our attention as soon as we walked by the lot.
Well,
So,
I appreciate that. Well,
what do we have here? What are we looking at?
It's a 1975 white semi-cab.
Uh-huh.
We built the hood out of 46 Chevy hood panels, 59 Rio grill. I used a 95 Dodge pickup, stripped it all apart. So it's got the 5.9 Cummins, 5-speed. I stripped the frame rails, built my own air ride, suspension, and built the fenders. And then the trailer we just did as a camper.
Okay.
So we sleep in that instead of paying
Really?
for hotels.
It's usable.
Wow.
Right, yeah. And then we haul the tank in there. My boy's scooter, he's running around here somewhere.
Does the tank drive too?
Oh, it drives. It's a potato gun. Yeah. So
That's
I got different barrels we can shoot. We've shot rubber chickens, cupcakes, the little Debbie Christmas trees. Oh yeah.
That's really cool.
Yeah,
so
but-
how long does a project like this normally take to get going?
It all depends on time and money. But yeah, I mean, it could be 2 years. It could be 6 months. Yeah, it just depends on your time. Yeah. But we did this one about a year.
Okay, well, that's not long for such an extent.
Exactly. But that's all your free time. Yeah.
So before the truck and all, like, what really got you into cars, and how did you decide to go the truck route versus, like, building a hot rod like the ones next to us, or like a different car?
Rat rod.
Rat rod, sorry.
There you go.
There's a big difference. There's a big difference.
Well, I built rail buggies first. I built 2 of those, and then I started getting into the car scene, and I started seeing some rat rods. I'm like, that's really cool. So I built my first rat rod as a 46 Chevy truck cab.
Okay.
So I started with a truck,
Yeah.
and then it was a big hit. So yeah, I just started building a bigger one. Yeah.
What I'm impressed is that with the rat rod, seeing everything has got that rustic look. Does it come like that? Do you guys do something to it to make it even more
Some of them come like that. Some of them you make like, because we painted this one.
Yeah.
Yeah. It looks. I mean, it's real rust.
Yeah.
We did
It's not fake
chemical
rust.
mix. No. But yeah, we painted the whole truck trailer. Yeah.
Oh yeah.
So does it have like a satin clear, or just whatever the paint does?
Satin clear.
Oh, okay.
Yep.
So
we make it rust, paint it, and then wash it, clear coat it.
How often do you bring this to shows, and what shows could people expect you to see it at?
Well, this year we're shooting for the big Rat Rod tour, Rat Rod Magazine tour.
Okay.
That's starting out at Welder up in Vegas.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
And where does it go from there?
It goes from there to Langley, Illinois to Ratstock. We're taking old Route 66 all the way
wow,
up.
that's crazy.
It should be a real good time. Yeah. Last year's tour started us out in Clayton, North Carolina, and took us over to Langley, Illinois to Ratstock.
I gotta ask, how comfortable is this thing on a long trip like that?
It is comfortable. I mean, it
Okay.
really is. Yeah, we built it to drive.
Okay.
Yeah.
Nice.
It gets it rides like a 1-ton truck.
Yeah.
You know what I
Okay.
mean? But
Yeah.
but she'll go down the road. Yeah.
Real
That's
smooth.
that's really cool.
Yeah. And all 3 of us ride in there.
Okay.
Yep. Yeah.
Yeah, this is wild.
All the locals, I mean, they were getting a little more popular, so
Yeah.
everybody knows the truck. Everybody knows we drive the heck out of it. Yeah.
I think the one thing that caught my eye was I thought it was 8-inch pipes for the exhaust.
Yeah, the
Right.
stackers.
7
Yeah.
I was
Well,
like, man,
they
these-
always come up an inch short.
Yeah, There's a joke
Guys,
somewhere in
depends where you
there.
measure from.
Yeah, those things are like 15 feet tall.
Yeah.
That's really
Yep.
cool. So
appreciate
how
it.
long have you been coming to the Charlotte Auto Fair for?
This will be the 2nd year for the Rat Rod Takeover, 2 years in a row.
Oh, really? Yeah.
Yep.
This is our
Couldn't
first year
miss it.
here.
Okay.
Yeah, so it's been a pretty cool experience seeing all the different variety of cars
Oh,
that
it is something to see. Yeah.
yeah, and
Yeah.
meeting a lot of the people that build the cars. So do you own a shop, or you just do this as a hobby for yourself?
This is a hobby. Yeah,
That's
actually,
wild.
all these sit outside. I got a little 22 by 24 garage.
What?
I built this in 2 pieces.
No way.
Yeah, I built the front half in there first, and then built the back half, then took it out to my brother's shop. He's got a bigger shop, and I joined the 2.
Wow,
Yeah.
that is really cool. So you said it first started off camera. It started as a single cab. What made you as
Oh,
a single
axle.
a single
Yeah.
axle? Yeah. So what made you decided to make it a dual axle?
Well, it didn't look quite right. If you look back on my page, there's pictures of it. I didn't like it. I never was happy with it, but I built it, so I was happy. Well, then I got the idea. I'm like, well, it kind of looks like a semi. I'm going to build it as a semi.
The first thing I told him, I was like, "Yo, look at the small semi." I was like, "I've never seen that before."
Right? And it's been a big hit since. And then we painted it in April of 2024, and it went right down to the rod run. And man, it was a big hit.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is wild.
What other plans do you plan to do to the truck in order, or this is its final form?
This might be final form. Yeah, I might remake my rear bumper. Not real happy with it. It's one thing I haven't changed yet since the original build, but
Okay.
that's about, yeah. But
So for people that want to follow you and find you on social media, where could they find you at?
Heffley Customs.
Okay.
That's Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, YouTube. We got a YouTube channel.
Okay.
Not a big one,
awesome.
but we got to have a YouTube channel.
Same. We just getting started too.
Yeah. Yep. Same with us. Yep.
So guys, everything he just said right now, we're gonna put in the description below. Make sure you guys check out his truck because this thing is amazing,
Yeah,
and I'm
it's
sure
crazy.
he documented the whole progress on building the truck.
Not this one. We didn't.
Not this one?
There are
Okay.
some pictures on our page of some pictures of it. Yeah.
Okay, but you guys make sure you go check him out and show him some love, please, because this truck is amazing.
Yeah.
And
I appreciate it.
thank you for taking the time to tell
Heck yeah.
us a little bit about the truck.
Thanks, Sam. Appreciate it, man.
Absolutely.
You have a good day.
Thank you guys.
Check you guys on the next one. This is What You Drive.
Later.
Peace.